we are going to share our thoughts on the HP 340S G7. Basically, it is a business notebook that targets value as its most important feature. It really looks simple. What's in the box? Inside the package, you are going to find a 45W power brick and a plastic bag holding all of the mandatory paperwork. HP 340S G7. Basically, it is a business notebook that targets value as its most important feature. It really looks simple and non-obnoxious, while it packs quite the punch in the form of the 10nm Ice Lake processors from Intel. Let's start by saying that this notebook sits very comfortably both in your hands and on the lap. It has a weight of 1.47 kilograms and a height of 17.9 millimeters, which makes it both thin and light. Since the speakers are at the top, you can only see a ventilation grill on the bottom plate, while the hot air is fired towards the hinge cover. Its lid cannot be opened with a single hand, but after you lift it from the base, the weight of the hinge becomes very balanced. Once again, the structural integrity is not the best. However, it is good to see thin side bezels and a camera placed above the display. There is the keyboard. If you see on HP's official website, the option to include a backlight costs $21, and we think that it is definitely worth it. Additionally, the key travel is very long and the feedback is clicky. Ultimately, this is a very comfortable keyboard to use. Do you know what else is comfortable? The touchpad. It is short, but wide and is very responsive. Honestly, HP is doing a very good job with their touchpads on the latest laptops. By the way, the 340S G7 also comes with the option for a fingerprint reader. We would like to give you a little introduction to the sRGB color gamut and the Adobe RGB. To start, there's a C1976 uniform chromaticity diagram that represents the visible spectrum of colors by the human eye, giving you a better perception of the color gamut coverage and the color accuracy. Sound. HP 340S G7 produces a relatively loud sound with good quality. Its low, mid and high tones are clear of deviations. Temperatures and comfort. Max CPU load. In this test we use 100% on the CPU cores, monitoring their frequencies and chip temperature. Comfort during full load. Interestingly, the fan works even during file transfers and app installations, although at a very low speed. However, with the higher load, the fan speed increases and becomes clearly audible, if not a little loud. As of the temperature on the base, you can see the hottest point on the images below. The HP 340S G7 is definitely not a bad choice. Just make sure you get the IPS version of the display as it will bring a lot more value to the laptop.